Hi everyone, happy Friday. Hope you're all doing well today. I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing for you today. This is a belated Halloween image. I had purchased this one with the Scaredy Cats, but I hadn't had a chance to unbox it yet. So we're gonna unbox it with you today. We have our pink strip here, and that means that it is a round diamond painting. Let me show you guys. We have Bubble Bubble Chocolate Trouble by Randall Spangler. Yes, I'm addicted to Randall Spangler. I love his little dragons. They are so cute. And they have so many new images lately. So you will see some future unboxings. But this is one of the Halloween ones. So, feels kind of light. It's a 56 by 64 round drills with AB. Oh. Box challenged today. There it is. Sticker, and kit. Go. So we have our little sticker that I use in my book. And then we have the big sticker here. That image is just so cute. My only issue is the wording. I know it's spelt wrong. They did say that. They said that you can fix it. But my problem is that they did it in white. I don't understand why they want to accentuate some of the words and stuff, like when they do books and they put the titles on them, and I don't know, that kind of bothers me. So I did see somebody in one of the Facebook groups. I think it's Diamond Moments and Crafts, Mindy and Maritz's group. I believe that was the one, not sure, where they took out Marsh, which I liked that. They fixed the mellows and put MA, and they used a Sharpie marker. Because this is round, you're gonna see the edges. So they used a Sharpie marker to tone the color down so that you don't see the white around the edges of your drill. So I'm definitely gonna give that a try. I liked the way it turned out. So we have 49 colors, 2 ABs, looks like a green and a white. So did come with a kit. In case you're not familiar with Diamond Art Club, I will just quickly show you what comes in the kit. They have a whack load of baggies. Like, this is a lot of baggies. I feel like they keep sending more and more. We have 2 heart-shaped wax, a blue squishy, a clear tray, a blue pen, and my favorite part is the skinny 4 multi-placer. It's my favorite. So that is the kit that comes with the round. Just push that off to the side, and then we'll open this up here. Yeah, sticky. All right. Hot chocolate. So we just come with instructions, and there is a coupon code in there. Thank you 10 for 10% off your next purchase. Here are drills, all nicely packaged. They are labeled in case you keep them separately from your canvas. Really nice bright colors. And here is our canvas. Does not fit in the entire thing, but you can see, it's kind of funny. This looks like a giant thing of lava. It's not lava. And there's that marshmallows. So I think I will take that out. I don't know. Not a huge fan of that. The rest of it doesn't look too bad, and I think when you're done, like, the colors should blend in for the words. Super awesome. They are mixing up the hot chocolate in the cauldron. There's some pumpkins in the background. We have their 2 beautiful faces with their witches' hats. And then there's like a haunted house in the background with the moon and the spooky trees. Very, very excited. I think that that is going to be so awesome. turn that sideways. You guys might be able to see it a little bit better. All right, so let's flip it over and take a look at our drills. Don't mind the crinkling. Start off with the big packages here. We have 3371, 312, that's a pretty blue. There's some more dark blue, a beautiful bright orange, gray, another pumpkin orange, and then two more blues. One tiny package of 310, yes. Some brown, blue, yellow, gray, orange, green. It's like a hay color. It's a forest green. It's like a pink, more green. Here's our first AB. So if you're not familiar with AB, that's Aurora Borealis. It has an extra coating that gives that shiny rainbow, and it does reflect other colors on the drills. That's number 134, really pretty. There's our browns, and here's the other one. It's a white 141. You can see those rainbow colors on there. And then our little package here. Some taupe, some light yellow, kind of like a ultramarine, more grays, a blue, beautiful purple, another yellow, more grays, purple, another orange, purple, yellow, and more purple. So let's take a quick peek and see where our ABs are going to be. So we have white and green, number 1 and 2. Number 1 is our green, so there's going to be little flecks up here in all the grass that's on the ground. Some in the background on the scales of the dragon. And on his face, again, same thing, scales and face, and scales over here and on his belly. And then number 2 is in here in the fire on the whitest parts. In there, of course, the marshmallows and highlights on the actual marshmallows and the steam coming up from the cauldron. So those are our 2 AB colors. I think that that is going to be super, super awesome. So adorable. Again, this will be my Halloween canvas for next year, more than likely now, because haven't barely started I'm Scared of Cats, and Halloween is done. It's November. So no issue with purchasing for next year. So that's it for now. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.